Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the mysteries it holds? We live in a vast universe, a cosmic playground filled with celestial marvels. Our solar system, a tiny speck in the grand cosmos, is abundant with secrets waiting to be uncovered. What if we told you that some things you think you know about our solar system might not be entirely true? Intrigued? Dive with us into the cosmic abyss as we unveil 10 mind-boggling facts about our solar system. Imagine a grain of sand amidst a football field. That's how the sun compares to the Milky Way. Now let's delve a bit deeper into this analogy. Our sun, the star at the heart of our solar system, is colossal by our standards. It's over 1 million times larger than Earth and accounts for a staggering 99.86% of the total mass of our solar system. Quite the heavyweight, wouldn't you agree? Yet, when we zoom out and view the sun within the context of our galaxy, the Milky Way, a different picture emerges. Our sun is just one of around 200 billion stars swirling around the galactic center. In fact, it's categorized as a medium-sized yellow dwarf star. It's neither the largest nor the brightest star in our galaxy. And where is our sun located in the Milky Way? It resides in the Orion Arm, a minor spiral arm located about 26,000 light-years from the galactic center. So in the grand scheme of things, our mighty sun is just an average star in a vast galaxy. Did you know a year on Mercury is just 88 Earth days? That's right, folks. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, zips around the sun faster than any other planet. It's like the cosmic sprinter of our solar family, completing a full orbit in less than a quarter of our Earth year. Imagine that. And with its speedy journey, a new year rolls around 4 times as often. So, if you lived on Mercury, you'd celebrate your birthday every 3 months. Venus, the second planet from the sun, is often called Earth's twin. But is it really? Now let's delve into the reality of this celestial beauty. Despite its serene, twinkling appearance from Earth, Venus is anything but hospitable. Imagine a world where the skies are filled with thick, acid-laden clouds that create a greenhouse effect so potent it makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the sun. It's a realm where the temperatures are high enough to melt lead, and the atmospheric pressure is akin to being 1 kilometer deep in Earth's oceans. Quite a contrast to the gentle beauty we see twinkling in our night sky, isn't it? This is the deceptive charm of Venus, a planet that captivates us with its beauty, while hiding a harsh truth beneath its gleaming facade. So Venus might be beautiful to look at, but it's certainly not a place you'd want to visit. Mars, the red planet, has been the subject of curiosity for centuries. But why is it red? The answer lies in its surface. Mars is essentially covered in rust, or more scientifically, iron oxide. This compound, familiar to us on Earth as the reddish-brown stuff that forms on old metal, is abundant on the Martian surface. Its red color is reflected into space, giving Mars its distinctive hue. So in a way, Mars is a colossal, rusty wonder. Just like rust on an old bike, Mars gets its red color from iron oxide. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is so big that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Just let that sink in for a moment. This celestial giant is a gas behemoth, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, much like the sun. But size isn't the only thing that sets Jupiter apart. This massive planet also boasts an incredibly strong magnetic field, stronger than any other planet in our solar system. This magnetic field is so powerful that it helps create stunning auroras, similar to our northern and southern lights, around its poles. And then there's the famous Great Red Spot, a storm that's been churning for at least 300 years. This storm is so large that it could swallow 2 Earths whole. This spot is a testament to Jupiter's stormy and dynamic atmosphere. With its size and stormy nature, Jupiter truly lives up to its name as the king of the planets. Saturn's rings are one of the most recognizable features of our solar system. But what are they made of? Well, let's dive right into it. These stunning rings are composed of countless particles that range in size from tiny, microscopic dust grains to massive chunks as big as mountains. Now here's the fascinating bit. These particles are predominantly made up of ice. Yes, you heard that right. Saturn's rings are essentially a massive cosmic ice rink. But it doesn't stop there. Mixed in with this icy spectacle, there's also a fair bit of dust and rock. And where did all this stuff come from? Some scientists believe that these rings could be remnants of comets, asteroids, or even shattered moons that got too close to Saturn and were torn apart by its gravity. So next time you look at Saturn's beautiful rings, remember, they're just a lot of space debris. Isn't our solar system an incredible place full of wonder and mystery? As we've journeyed together through the vastness of our cosmic neighborhood, we've seen just how unique and special each celestial body is. Let's take a moment to look back at our grand tour. We started with our very own sun, a fiery behemoth that in the grand scheme of things is just a speck of dust in the cosmos. Yet it's the powerhouse that fuels all life on our home planet. From there, we zipped over to Mercury, the little speedster of our solar system, zipping around the sun faster than any other planet. Then we swung by Venus, a planet of deceptive beauty, with its brilliant shine hiding a hostile surface. Next, we landed on Mars, the red planet, a world of contrast and potential, a place where we might one day set foot. Our journey then took us to Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, whose mass is 2.5 times that of all the other planets combined. And who could forget the stunning rings of Saturn? These beautiful bands of ice and rock are a sight to behold and a testament to the forces at play in our solar system. Remember, every time you look up at the night sky, there's a whole universe of mysteries waiting to be discovered. It's a grand adventure, and it's all just a glance away. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Craving more? Hit subscribe and journey with us through the realm of learning. Remember, every thumbs up and every subscription fuels our passion to deliver more. Become part of our learning community today.